What's the meaning of bouclé? Bouclé. Bouclé.
Bouclé. Bouclé. Bouclé is a French word that refers to a type of yarn or fabric characterized by its looped or curly texture. When woven, the loops create a bumpy, irregular surface with an almost three-dimensional quality. This unique texture makes bouclé fabric ideal for adding visual interest to garments and home decor items like throw pillows or blankets. The use of different types of fibers and colors can further enhance the texture and depth of the fabric. Overall, bouclé is a versatile and distinctive material that offers endless possibilities for creative expression.